Hi guys, welcome back to another video or vlog. Well, no, video. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm just gonna be making some dinner for myself. Um, what time is it now? I think it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I was thinking of just starting to make my dinner. So I felt like doing some homemade macaroni and cheese, just like simple, and some chicken. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's not a tutorial, I'm just showing you guys that I'm making for my dinner. Um, but in the meantime, I actually have some chicken here. It's not a lot, it's just like a few pieces because we did fried chicken yesterday. Well, my brother did fried chicken yesterday, and he left back some. It was like a small chicken and he left back like this is what, like maybe 2 or 3 pieces. So I'm going to put it in some water and I'm just going to let it defrost in the meantime. The water is a little bit low today. I'm not exactly sure why, but yes, I'm gonna let it defrost. And then in the meantime, while it's defrosting, I'm actually going to tidy up my room a bit. I went on the road earlier to deal with some stuff for school. And I'm back home, so I'm gonna let this defrost and then tidy up my room. And by the time I'm finished, it should be defrosted. It should probably be around maybe like 4 or so. It should be defrosted by then, maybe like 3:34, and then I can start making it and I'll just take you guys along with me. Okay guys, I'm back. It's 6:29. I went a little overboard because I fell asleep. I'm supposed to come back here by 4 and I was up at 4, but I just couldn't bother at the time. So I'm going to do what I'm doing now. I found a pack of macaroni and cheese, so I was going to boil pasta and just like make it stuffed up, but I can't bother. So I found this pack of macaroni and cheese, so I'm gonna use it. I have just like 2 pieces of chicken. I know the bowl kind of big, but it was in there already. So it's just these 2 pieces I'm going to fry. Mom and dad already had something to eat, so I'm the only one who hasn't eaten. And I'm just going to season it up with what I'm doing and then we start frying. I go watch your mommy? Okay. That's what you said. Miss, come put it on. Miss, come put it on. Okay, so I just put in my pasta a while ago. I overestimated the amount of water I need for the pasta, but it's going in the same way. It's not gonna make a difference. I'm going to, even though it comes with the cheese packet, this doesn't really do much. So I'm going to use just like a little bit of Velveeta cheese and some milk, just to, you know, bring it up a little bit so it can have like a better texture and flavor and taste. So I'm doing that. My chicken is almost done. It's getting there. It's almost finished. So yeah, it's just a mac and cheese really right now. Honestly, this didn't take a long time. It's just that I couldn't bother to come up here and do it. This is the cheese. Yeah, so this is the cheese. I'm going to be using just some Velveeta cheese because I don't have like the sharp cheddar or those ones. I don't have that one, so I have Velveeta and milk. So chicken's done. That's the first thing. This is my chicken. Alright, so that's fried. I'm going to focus on the macaroni. So it's cooked. I already drained it. I'm going to add some butter to it. I'm gonna turn back on the stove. I'm leaving it for like maybe a few minutes, maybe like 5 or so minutes, and then it should be okay by then. Okay, so I'm finished with dinner. This is my dinner. My macaroni and cheese here, and my chicken over here. And I'm just going to have a bottle of water. This is going to kind of go into a bit of a night routine because I just realized, you know what, let me just do it since I already started so late, so let me just do that. So we're just kind of carry it into a night routine. Like, don't do this. Okay, most of the stuff I do every night, but not all of them. I was going to watch wrestling tonight, but the stream is not coming up. I don't know why, and I am not taking it on. So I'm going to watch a movie instead, and I'm going to have my dinner while I do that. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to bathe and then do my skincare, and then more than likely watch back another movie or something else before I go to bed tonight. And that's generally what I do during the night. So yeah, I'm probably just going to take you guys when I'm doing my skincare, and then after that, that will just be it. Yeah. Alright guys, so it is now, can you see the time on my phone? I'm trying to show it. It's 8:17. There we go. So it's 8:17 and I just had my dinner. I was trying to watch a movie. It was taking the life out of me because the stream wasn't working and we couldn't bother. So me not take it out. So I just watched some vlogs and a little bit of cable, and that was that. And then now I am basically going to get myself ready and bathe. Get all my stuff I need to go and bathe, do my skincare. So I'm gonna show you when I'm doing my skincare. And then after that, I'm just going to end the vlog because that's really all I do in the night. I just do my skincare, and then I come back in and I'll either watch TV or I'll watch something on my computer. That's really it, you know. I don't really do much in the night, even though I really started everything late. But at the end of the day, I really don't do much. I just, after I'm done self-care for the night, I just watch TV or watch something until I'm ready to sleep. So that is that. I'm going to get all the stuff I need now to go into the bathroom. So I'm in the bathroom now. I'm just going to do the skincare routine before because it takes a little time, and right after showering, like, I don't want to come back, so I'm just gonna do it now and get this over with my skincare routine.
sorry, not skincare. With my nightly routine comes my skincare. I have to do it every night. If I don't do it, then I'm going to break out. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. This part, I don't do it every night, but just cleansing and washing my face and moisturizing, I have to do it every night. So this I haven't done for a couple of weeks now. I do like the little hairs that I have on my face. I get a little razor and I just lightly, you know, shave them off, and I also shave my eyebrows as well, just to shape them up. I have to go back for my eyebrow thing. I left it. I have to go back for it. Anyways, but yeah, I do that, and the reason why specifically I do it for the face is because the hairs, because when I do makeup, the hairs kind of prevent me from getting a smooth layer on. So I just use a little, I do the simplest method. I don't want no extra. I just use a little bit of coconut oil. This is just a little bit. I don't use all of this, by the way, just like a drop in my hand. Put it all over the face, and then I take the razor and I just glide it on and get off all those little hairs, and then wipe it off, then wash the face, cleanse it and everything, and moisturize, and that's it. I'm gonna get a little bit, just a little bit, and let's put it on the face. I'm gonna take off the bonnet. No, I put it on my bonnet when I'm going to bathe because I don't want the water. Take a shower here. Oh, that was a lot weight there. That's too much. Put on some ready. So I can use any other oil. When I see people do it, they use any oil that they want. I have coconut oil, so I just use the coconut oil. The oil just makes it easier for this to glide on. I just take it's a Kleenex or so. I just wipe off the hair that I got off. Alright, so this is gonna take some time. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then come back. Okay, so I finished all of my face. And I shaved my eyebrows also. It's not, you can't really tell that much, but yeah, I shaved my eyebrows. They weren't really bushy or anything like that, but I like to line them up and keep them neat as best as possible. So now that I'm done with that, now that I'm done that, I just go in with cleanser. This is for combination to oily sensitive skin, which is the skin I have because I have eczema and I also have sensitive skin. So I have to use specific products on my face. So this is what I use. First thing, wet the face, then I go in with the cleanser. And then I pat dry my face, and then so after this I would moisturize. Yeah, I would moisturize, but I'm going to bathe and then I come back and moisturize and show you guys what I use for moisturizing. Okay guys, so I'm out the bathroom. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use to moisturize my face. Moisturizer from the same brand that I use the cleanser for. Then I use another moisturizer. I use two because after I cleanse and everything, my skin is really dry, so I use two. And then I have a little bit of coconut oil that I put on there, and then that's about it. I don't put too much because I'm still learning about my skin and what I can and cannot use, because I have sensitive skin but I also have eczema, so I'm still learning of what I can and cannot use. I do have some stuff though that I bought that I am going to try that I hope will work. So I'm going with the moisturizer from the same brand of the cleanser first. Then I'm going with the other one. I don't put too much.
Anyways, I don't put too much because it's night first of all, and the place was really hot, so I'm not gonna put too much. Alright. Then I just dip my finger in the coconut oil, just my finger like that. Ooh. Yeah, just dip my finger in it like that. And go over the face. I don't always use a coconut oil. I had something previously that I did use. It was like this healing ointment. Okay guys, so my camera died, so I have to finish it on the phone, but it's fine. I didn't realize that the battery was dying because I wasn't looking at it. Anyways, as I was saying, I use this healing ointment rather than the coconut oil most times, but it's finished and have to get a new one soon, so that's mostly what I use with all the other products. This is what I use to keep my skin moisturized. I don't really have any specific like anything I use for like acne. I don't really get acne. I'm very blessed to say that I don't really get acne. I do get a little bit of bumps here and there, like right here and one right here, but that's mostly just due to, you know, maybe an allergy, something I had, whatever like that. But I don't get bumps all over my face or anything like that, and I try to control what I eat and what I put on my face and the ingredients and stuff like that, because my face can break out with it at any minute. So I just do that. Then lip balm. And then because I shaved my brows tonight, as you can see, oh yeah, you can see it looks way better right here. So because I shaved my brows tonight, I just go back with like a regular spoolie, or yeah, just a regular spoolie with a brush, and I just brush them back up, and that's it. That's just how I take care of my brows. I brush them every morning and every night, so I can kind of train them to keep the shape that they have. Okay, so that's for the face. Now for my hair, I have some twists in. So normally what I would do is I would mousse it up for the night, but I don't need to do that right now because I did that this morning already. So, and I oiled my scalp today, so I don't need to oil my scalp again right now. So normally what I would do to just wrap it up for the night, I don't leave it out because my hair will frizz out. Even though I do refresh them, I did them last week, so I just did them a little bit longer. So I take just a regular scarf, head scarf, and I tie it down first. Okay. So I tie it down like that first. Only. Then I have my bonnet, but the left out part right here, I just twist it like that. Sometimes I put it in a little scrunchie or so. And I tuck it into the bonnet around there. Okay. And that will be it for the hair. And because I'm going to because I'm going to watch maybe like a movie or so before bed in my room, I'm gonna wear my glasses because my eyes have been acting up a little bit lately, so I'm just going to keep on my glasses for the night.
And that's it, guys. That's my nightly routine that I do almost basically every night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do. If you have any other requests, if you'd like me to do any other specific videos, you can tell me. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up the videos, and we always thank you and appreciate you for all of your support that you have given us. And I will see you guys in another video or vlog. Bye.